What are imperatives? What are imperatives? They're verbs used to give orders or instructions. Close the door. Return to your seat, please. How do we make imperative statements? We use the base form of a verb. In other words, we use the infinitive form of a verb and we remove the to. What are some commands you would give a dog? Sit. Fetch. Shake a paw. Here are some commands you might hear in gym class. Go. Dive in. These commands can be changed in a few interesting ways. First, we can make them negative by adding do not or don't in front of them. Don't go. Don't dive in. Second, you can include yourself in these commands by adding the word let's. Let's go. Let's dive in. Finally, you can include yourself and make these statements negative. Let's not go. Let's not dive in. The word let's is a contraction of the word let us. Let us gets squished together, and then the U is replaced with an apostrophe. Let's can be modified to involve different people and ideas. Let me go. Let it go. Keep in mind that using the imperative might make you sound impolite. Try adding the following phrases to your sentences in the imperative. Please, and if you wouldn't mind. Instead of saying, open the window, which is too direct and might be considered rude, you can say, open the window, please. Or you can add a double layer of politeness by saying, if you wouldn't mind, please open the window. Try putting the following words in the correct order.